Don't I look so styling? I heard Popeyes ran out of chicken. Now I know Popeye. He's a sailor man. He eats spinach. He knows fried chicken isn't good for him. But I guess he got tired of spinach and decided to eat fried chicken. Kind of like Kirstie Alley. You know, she used to be the spokesperson for Jenny Craig. She lost a bunch of weight, but now she's fat again. I think Kirstie Alley knows she should eat healthy, but she'd rather eat fried chicken. She's probably thinking right now, you'd better watch out, Roseanne Barr and Rosie O'Donnell, because soon Oprah and Ellen will become part of my stomach, because Kirstie Alley will take over the world. Now, let me do something for a second. Fried chicken. Now, Popeyes, I mean, do they realize there's people out there that got children to feed? There's people out there that want your chicken. You could have filled my nice bucket filled with some extra chicken, but obviously you treat raccoons like second-class citizens. Like your chickens are more important than your customers. But do you not realize you're not KFC and you're not mistreating your chickens, but those chickens have been already fried and breaded. They're dead. So why can't you give us your chickens? I've been searching and all I could find is this cat. I found a cat, but seriously, I mean, how can you compare a cat to a chicken? I mean, what are they thinking?